Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. In this video, I will show you how to set and operate this watch Q&Q M158J. And if you want to know more about this watch, you can check the review. I will put the link in the description. Okay, first there are 4 buttons. Reset button on the top left, and then mode button on the lower left, start stop on the top right, and light button on the lower right. Okay, to change the mode, you can press the mode button like this. So this one is the alarm, stopwatch, and then this one is the dual time, and then back to the time mode. So for the time mode, it shows the date, and then second. Okay, but for the dual time, it shows something like this, T2 on the top left. Okay, now let's get back to the time mode. So for the time mode, you can change the time format using the top left button, this one. So this one is the 24-hour format, and this one is the 12-hour format, something like that. So let's get back to 24-hour format. And then to view the full calendar, you can press the top right button, this one. So this one, July 21st, 2026. Okay, and then to activate the backlight, of course, use the lower right button as usual, as the name suggested. Okay, and yes, for this watch, it has no mute function, also no quick time function. So meaning that if you press and hold the mode button, it does not jump to the time mode. You need to press one by one. Okay, next, to set the time, let's make sure we are in the time mode. Day, and then date, second, hour, minute, like this. Okay, and then press and hold the reset button on the top left, this one, until the second is flashing or blinking like this. You can reset the second using the top right button like this, and it will change the second to 0 without changing the minute. So even if the second is 30 or more, it will become 0 without additional minute. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the hour. You can use the top right button to increase the number like this, so 10, 11, and so on. So let me set to 9 again. Press and hold if you want to speed up. Okay, and then next, press the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. Also the same thing, use the top right button to change the value. So let me set back to 2. Wait. 1, 2, okay. And then press the mode button, and now is the year. You can use the top right button also to increase the number. And if it already passed the number or the year that you want, you can press and hold until 2099, and then it will go back to 2000 like this. So let me set to 2026. Okay, and then press mode button, and now is for the month. Also the same thing. Use the top right button to set. Okay, press the mode button, and now is the date. Also the same thing. Let me set to 21. Okay, yes, and then press the mode button, and now back to the setting of the second. And if you're done with the setting for the time and date, you can press the reset button on the top left, and done for the basic setting. Anyway, for the day of the week, it will be calculated by the watch itself. Just make sure you set the right date, so meaning that the year is in Gregorian, and then month and date also. Then it will calculate by itself, pre-programmed up to 2099. Now let's move on to the alarm. Press the mode button, and this watch only has one daily alarm and hourly signal. So to set the alarm, you can press the top left button, this one. Okay, and the hour is flashing or blinking. You can use the start stop to increase the number. So let's say I want to set the alarm at 5:15 in the morning like this. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. So let's say 5:15. You can also press and hold to speed up the process if you need. Okay, and then press the mode button. Now back to the hour. If you're done with the settings, you can press the reset button on the top left, and done. 5:15 in the morning for the alarm. And yes, this one is the symbol or logo for the alarm. And you can activate which features active. So this one, alarm only, and then press the start stop button on the top right. This one is only for the hourly signal that will give beeping any changing of the hour, so like 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and so on. And then press again. Both are active for the alarm and also the hourly signal, and now both are not active. If you want to deactivate, use this view, and if you want to activate both, press the start stop until it shows something like this. Okay, that's all for the alarm and hourly signal. Let's move on to the next mode, the stopwatch. For the stopwatch, you can start stop using the top right button like this. Start, pause, continue, pause, continue, pause or stop, and then reset using the top left button. And then you can also use split time, so start stop to start, and then press the top left button to get the split time. So now the time is still running in the background, and you get the split time. For this one is 3 seconds. Okay, press again the top left button to unfreeze the display, and it will jump to the time that was running in the background. Okay, and again, if you want to get another split time, again, and so on. And if you want to stop, press the start stop and reset using the top left button. Okay, that's all for the stopwatch. Let's continue with the next one, the dual time. For the dual time, you can press the reset button on the top left to set the dual time, and this one is the hour. You can use the start stop button to increase the value like this. Let me set back to 9. Okay, and then press the mode button, and now we are setting the minute. So for the minute, you can use the top right button to change the value, but it will jump by 30 minutes. So this one 9:37 and this one 9:07. So let me set this one, and then press the mode button back to the setting of the hour. And if you're done with the setting for the dual time, press the reset button and done. So now we have set the dual time, and then press the mode button and we're back to the time mode. Okay, that's all for the setting and operation. And if you have any tips or additional information about how to set and operate this watch, please put in the comment below. It will be very helpful for me and also for the other viewers. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and I will see you again in the next video. Have a great day.